In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a film strip in Canva. We'll start right from the Canva homepage so you can follow along easily, even if you're a complete beginner. Once you're logged in and you see the main dashboard, look for the button that lets you start a new design. This is usually labeled Create a Design and is found at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click that. This is how you tell Canva what kind of project you want to work on. When the menu opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type in the word video. This filters Canva's templates and sizes so you're only seeing options that are meant for video projects. This is important because a film strip design is often used in video thumbnails, video overlays, or animated posts, and using a video-sized canvas will make everything easier to export later. After typing video, you'll see several options appear, such as standard video sizes and possibly some ready-made video templates. Choose the size or design that best fits your project. If you're not sure, you can simply select a standard blank video canvas. Starting with a blank design gives you full control over how the film strip will look, but you can also pick a pre-designed layout if you plan to combine the film strip with other elements and text. Once your new canvas opens, look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find all the tools and content in Canva. Click on Elements. The Elements tab is where Canva stores shapes, graphics, lines, frames, and more. We're going to use it to find a film strip graphic that acts as the base of your design. With the Elements panel open, move to the search bar at the top of that panel and type in film strip. Hit enter and Canva will show you a collection of film strip graphics, both static and animated. Take a moment to scroll through and find a style that matches the look you're going for, whether that's simple and minimal, or more detailed and vintage. When you spot a film strip design you like, simply click on it. Canva will drop it right onto your canvas. From there, you can resize it, rotate it, or duplicate it to build out your layout, and then start adding your own photos or videos inside and around it to complete your design.